Hey everyone, my name is Maxine Moira Tarucan from CCS1C and I will present now the PTC mission, vision, and core values. PTC vision. Pateros Technological College envisions itself as an institution of higher learning which is strongly committed to the holistic development of the students to improve their lives in particular and the society in general. PTC mission. Pateros Technological College commits itself to provide quality higher education through specialized professional instruction, provides training in scientific, technological, industrial, and vocational fields, enhance moral and spiritual values, instill the love of country and appreciation of the Filipino cultural heritage, promote environmental awareness and unconditional love for Mother Earth. After educational opportunities, especially to marginalized individuals, heighten students' creativity and leadership through extra and curricular activities, and produce quality graduation adept with technological skills and professional education. Core values: responsibility, creativity, integrity, commitment, compassion, excellence, and environment concern.